saying, now that we're knee-deep side by side, the storm clouds are circling above us as we struggle against the tide. I feel your grip firm on my shoulder, but there's fear in my head won't subside. They patiently circle around us as we hold out.
Yeah.
Oh Father, why have they forsaken me? You warned me that they would. The curse is passing down the bloodline. Unspoken madness understood. We're losing light and strength of will. The darkened depths beckoning still, and we hold on against the tide.
All right.
The storm left to fight alone. Remember, son, you're reaping what you've sown. Under the waves and sinking like a stone. I'm sorry, son, you're reaping what you've sown. Beneath the storm left to fight alone.
Hit.
Remember, son, you're reaping what you've sown. Under the waves and sinking like a stone. I'm sorry, son, you're reaping what you've sown. You're reaping what you've sown. You're reaping what you've sown.
Get ready, guys. Close to extract. Close to extract. How much time, Rhett? How much time, Rhett? 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Teammate, teammate. Teammate outside. Teammate outside. Teammate. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
This sorrow weighs down on my shoulder.
Go, 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 go.
This is getting hard to hide. You'll leave me alone in this darkness, left to hold out against the tide.